In most of the exams, we see the questions like some titles of eminent persons like father of Telangana nation, founder of Hyderabad city, founder of Hyderabad modern city. So, let's learn the titles of eminent persons. Hello all, this is Mahi. Welcome to Study with you Mahi. Let's start the video. Father of Telangana nation is Professor Jayashankar. Jatipita of Telangana is Professor Jayashankar. Next, father of Telangana. Earlier father of Telangana nation, now father of Telangana. Pitamaha of Telangana is K.V. Rangareddy. Pitamaha of Telangana is K.V. Rangareddy. Next, father of Telangana armed struggle is Ravi Narayan Reddy. Father of Telangana armed struggle is Ravi Narayan Reddy. Next, founder of Hyderabad city is Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah. Founder of Hyderabad city is Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah. Next, founder of Hyderabad modern city is Mir Usman Ali Khan. Founder of Hyderabad modern city is Mir Usman Ali Khan. Next, creator of Hyderabad civil services. Creator of Hyderabad civil services is Salajang I. His real name is Mir Turab Ali Khan. Mir Turab Ali Khan. Next, Hyderabad's first Hindu graduate is Rai Balmukund. Hyderabad's first Hindu graduate, Rai Balmukund. Next, Telangana Avadana Yuva Kesari. Telangana Avadana Yuva Kesari is Ande Venkatarajaram. Ande Venkatarajam. Telangana Avadana Yuva Kesari, Ande Venkatarajam. Next, Telangana Babai, K.V. Rangareddy. Telangana Babai, K.V. Rangareddy. K.V. Rangareddy is also known as Pitamaha of Telangana. Next, Abhinava Potana is Vanamalai Varadacharya. Abhinava Potana is Vanamalai Varadacharya. So far we have learnt 10 titles of eminent persons. In the next video, we'll continue the titles of other eminent persons. Thank you.